Welcome to Tech Editing Tips Tuesday. I'm Gemma from Concrete Gems and I'll be coming to you throughout the summer with crochet design tips to help you craft perfect patterns every time. Today we're going to be talking about clarity. So your patterns need to be clear. They need to have clear explanations that people will really understand. They need to have a clear and not muddled layout. So people can see it and it looks nice to view. It makes it a lot easier to read a pattern if it's got good spacing, if the pictures are all aligned, if the font isn't a funny curly font that you can't read. Think about having the pattern as well without any photos or any extra bits in it, so that if people want to print it out, then they can do that without having to waste loads and loads of ink. Yeah, so make sure your patterns are clear. See you again next week.